So at Age Cymru West Glamorgan, we offer a range of services for older and vulnerable people, their families, their carers, to help people live and age well. So our home cooked meal delivery service has ensured that older and vulnerable people have had access to a hot meal, helping to sustain their well-being, ease any stress or worries around getting food, especially during the initial lockdown period. We also provided a check-in service provided by our information and advice team, who provide an excellent service from helping people to gain access vital welfare and entitlements, to providing useful information and advice to help manage their daily living. So over 65 local people have helped provide our meal delivery service, all of who have been helping and given a vital hand, especially during these challenging times. Without those people and the help they've provided us, we wouldn't have been able to make this service a reality. To date, we have delivered over 8,000 meals to older and vulnerable people, and we're extremely proud of the work and the help that we've been able to provide. We have been working with Neath Port Talbot Safe and Well, who have been a fantastic resource during this time. Of course, as a small charity and organisation, it is difficult to provide all the services that people need. And through Safe and Well, we've been able to signpost to other charities and organisations and to local authority to make sure that those people are getting the vital help and support that they need during this global pandemic. So the areas that we deliver to for the meal delivery service, we deliver to all of Port Talbot. We also deliver to Britain Ferry, to Kimler, Pontrhy-de-Ven, and that route as well, and to ensure that those meals are taken to the clients and they are hot and ready to eat. So especially those who are having difficulty at home, it really eases that stress and worry around getting that hot meal and preparing it too. So how you can find out more about our services, so you can find out more at Age Cymru West Glamorgan, our website. You can also find us on Twitter at Age Cymru WG, on Facebook at Age Cymru West Glamorgan, and on our website you can also find all of our contact details for all the services that we provide in the local area.